Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, and in this video, I will show you how you can add music to your status in WhatsApp. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, also don't forget to write comments under the video and let's get started. And first of all, friends, I recommend you to go to the Instagram app in order to create a story here. To do that, go to the Stories section. Next, select some picture or just some background. And then in order to add music, you're gonna have to click right here and select music here. Next, insert absolutely any music that you like. Once you've inserted the music, click Done. You can move it to wherever you want it to go, or you can make it bigger or smaller. And in the next step, you will need to save this story. To do that, click on the three dots and save. Once this story is saved in your camera, exit Instagram, go to WhatsApp. Here, go to your page and click on the word status on your camera and add the video. If you turn it on, we'll be able to add music to the status in this way. In order to post this status, you'll need to click here on this check mark to put up the story. This is the way, friends, you will be able to add music to status in WhatsApp. Hope this video helped you and was useful to you, friends. Please put your likes, write your comments, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.